I wanna show you how to add object move smoothly effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, go to the effects and write transform. Add the transform effect to your video clip. Then move your timeline to the middle of your video clip. Come back to the effects control and scroll down. Under the transform, click on the position. Move your timeline to the beginning of the video clip. Using your X and Y position, move your object that completely disappear. Select your both keyframes, right click of the mouse, temporal interpretation is in. Then again, right click of the mouse, temporal interpretation is out. Expand your position menu and using the arrows, make the nice corner. Uncheck the use composition and by the shutter angle, write 360. The last step is, move your timeline to the middle of your keyframe, scroll up, click on the rotation, the stopwatch icon will appear, move your timeline 1 second ahead, and change the value of the rotation to 180. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.